This video explains concept of degree of freedom and the ratio of specific heat capacity of gases with tomato cartoons.
F is degrees of freedom. R constraints. Monoatomic has 3, diatomic has 5, triatomic linear has 7, and nonlinear has 6.
Let us learn about nonlinear molecules. Here is the formula for their freedom. Now we look at the linear molecules. Their formula is just a bit different.
Histi fiche.
Hi, I'm a monoatomic gas.
And we are a diatomic gas.
Let's mix together.
Look, this one is an important example based on ratio of specific heat capacity.
In conclusion, understanding the degree of freedom is essential for determining the specific heat ratio of different gases. Keep practicing and see you next time.